Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn Pinterest into a cash machine. I'm going to show you how you can make money using Pinterest. Before we go anywhere, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. If you're looking for a way to use the internet to make money, to make some side income, then my friend, you are the correct candidate. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. To be able to make money using Pinterest, you need, first of all, a product to market on Pinterest. You need a business Pinterest account. And I'm going to show you the tools that you can use to make your pins. I'm going to show you where to get the products to market on Pinterest. First of all, we need to find out what sort of people use Pinterest so that we can tailor make some products that will suit those people who are visiting Pinterest the most. This is how we can turn Pinterest into a cash machine. I'll show you a network, an affiliate network, where we can get some free product that we can market on Pinterest for free. Before we go there, let me give you some few facts about Pinterest. So these are the facts about Pinterest as we speak. More than 320 million people use Pinterest. Okay, and we see that Pinterest ranks fourth in most popular social media sites in the United States. Okay, that is after YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Okay, and we see that 43% of Pinterest users are using the desktop. All right, and women use Pinterest more than men. 71% of Pinterest users are female and 20% are male. Right, so those are important facts to take down, okay? Because we want now products, we want to fish out some products that are going to suit women more than men. So keep that in mind. And 8 out of 10 moms use Pinterest. We find that 34% of people who use Pinterest are aged 18 to 29. That is in the United States. The total adult population of Pinterest users was 28%. All right. And this is very important now. Pinterest also gets a lot of usage from those earning more than $75,000. That is 41% of them. Those with college degrees and above 38%. The most important facts to note is that Pinterest is used more by women than men. And that the people who use Pinterest an average earning of about $75,000 per year. And these women now, they don't hesitate to buy. So if you can find a befitting product and you throw it in front of these women, you can make money using Pinterest. Okay, so this is what I am going to show you today in this video. Now I'm going to show you a network that you can use to get some products. The network I'm talking about is called clickbank.com, right? It's easy, it's free to join. You don't need to pay anything. And most of the countries under the sun can access products on this website. And if for any reason your country is not allowed to deal with this website, let me know in the comments and I'll give you another website which you can use. This is one of the biggest affiliate networks in the world and it's over 20 years old. And we've got digital products. Of course, we've got some physical products as well, but mostly it's digital products. When you come here after logging in, you come to the marketplace, you click marketplace, and then you go to the left-hand side where it says categories. You see all sorts of categories or niches right here, right? And mind you, we are talking about women. And we saw that most of the people who use Pinterest are women, 71% of them. So we need a product or product that will fit the ladies, right? Things like cooking and food and wine, e-business, e-marketing, but we might not need to emphasize on that one because those ladies have got an average income of $75,000 per year, right? So what they are looking for on Pinterest is just to buy. You can try green products. Yes, you can use health and fitness products. That's where we are going to go. But you can also use parenting and families right here, okay? So let's go to health and fitness. If you click that button, that niche, it brings you all the products that are under health and fitness. And you can sort your products by gravity, okay? So it shows us how many people are marketing the product and they are getting some results. So it gives us some indication of how many people have sold this product in the past 30 days and they made a sale. And the other thing which we want to take note of is the average rebuild total, right? So we want a product that can give us recurring income every month. You can see where it says average rebuild total, there'll be a number there. Let's go down like this one, right? It's called custom keto diet. And when you sell it through your link, you get $41. Rebuild total is $55. So anyone who buys this product, they are going to be rebuild every month by $55. And the cool bit about that is that you are going to get 75% of 55 every month. So you are getting monthly recurring revenue, monthly recurring income. You are working once, you've brought one customer, but that customer now is facilitating a recurring income to you every month. That's fantastic, that, okay? Right? So you can have a look at all other products until you settle for one. And it looks like that one is a perfect fit for what we want to do, right? It's called Custom Keto Diet. You can click the website and find out what it is about. This is their sales letter. Now we've got the product that we think is going to fit those ladies. Yes, the ladies want to keep shape. They want to lose belly fat. They want to keep shape and they want to look young and be vibrant in their health. So that's fantastic. So when you present this product before these ladies, you are going to get some ladies buying through your link. And this is how you're going to turn Pinterest into a cash machine, right? You are free to check the affiliate page right here. It gives you the resources, the banners, social media. If you're marketing on social media, you click right there and you get your resources. And you've got the lead magnets. The lead magnets, it means it's an opt-in page. It's offering something for free, and then it captures the name and the email address of that person, right? And once they put their email and their name right there, they're going to receive a gift, something for free. Then the landing page, you're not necessarily giving anything right there, but you're advertising, and then people who opt in, they're going to leave their names and their email address on the landing page, right? Then you've got some videos, media buyers, right? You've got customer demographics that fit this product. That is very important. Know the demographics of the customers, right? Then you've got articles, got keywords. All these are important things to have in your pocket to market your product. Fantastic. Right, now we are going to Pinterest. So when you get to Pinterest, you need to open a business account. It's free. You just type in on your search engine business.pinterest.com, and then you create a business account. First of all, you create the boards, and you create about 5, 6, 7 boards first of all. And then in those boards now you name them, you categorize them. We saw our product is about keto. It's a custom keto diet, right? Then when we create our boards, it has to be relevant to keto diet. So like here, I've got boards already created. The first one is my keto dinner recipes, keto breakfast recipes. So that's how you create it. Then you save it. Right, fine. So it's created. So you create 5, 6, 7 boards. But each board will be having a name that is relevant to the main niche, the keto diet, okay? Like keto breakfast recipes, keto dinner recipes, keto drinks, keto desserts, something like that. So when you create the boards, each board now will be having several pins. So you're looking at something like 10 to 30 pins on each board. These pins are not necessarily your own pins. The first pin has to be yours. And then you populate your boards with other people's pins. Okay, so 10 to 30 pins every day. But make sure that of those 30 pins, you have your own original pin. And then you can copy other people's pins and you populate your boards, right? So once you do that and you are consistent to do this every day, you find that you start to create traction. You start to create some viewers. You start to create some followers. All right. So now I'm going to show you a website that you are going to use to create your own pins. And that is a free site. And the site is called canva.com. You come here, you sign up for Canva for free, and then you get onto the search bar and just type in Pinterest pin. And then it gives you the templates. You've got a ton of them, templates like this one. This is a perfect one. All right. So if you want to use this one, you can use that one, or you can use that one, healthy post-holiday recipes. Fantastic. Instead of saying healthy post-holiday, you say healthy keto breakfasts or dinners or desserts, something like that. Okay, so let's click that one and try and tweak that one. You can change the images to whatever you want. And I'll show you a website where you can get some free pictures, some royalty-free images. And that website is called Pixabay. You can type in recipes, right? So we've got all sorts of images right here for which you can use for recipes, right? For breakfast, look at that. You can use that, and you can use that, you can use that, you can use that, you can choose. You are free to download these images for free because these are royalty-free images. You are free to use them, okay? So you download the images, they get into your computer, and then you upload them onto Canva, and then you tweak it around. Right, let's try and do that. We download that one. Download, yes, download it. I'm not a robot. And then you download the image and it's going down, it's there, right? Then you go to Canva and you want to change this image and put your own. So you go to uploads, right? And that's the image which we downloaded from Pixabay. And then you put it right there. Put it right there. And then now here, you can put healthy keto recipes. Okay? Dieting has never been this good. You can leave that one in place. Okay. So once you are satisfied with your pin right here from Canva, then you can download it. You download it onto your computer. Right. So it's downloading and it's now on my computer. And then you go to Pinterest. You've got your boards. And so you want to create pins now. You press pin. And then you see the plus sign. Yes, that one. Then you create the pin. Right. And you are going to upload your image from Canva. Right. It's a download. That one. And then you upload it. Look at that one. Right. So we've got our image from Canva. Healthy keto recipes. Right. So you want a description right here. Tell everyone what your pin is about. Now we've got the image in place, and then now want to add the title. The title is easy to get because you just go back to the product, and the product is here. It says, get your custom keto diet plan. You just copy that one, and then you go back to Pinterest and you paste it. Get your custom keto diet. Get your custom keto diet plan. Fantastic. And on the description here, you go back to the text. Right, you see, it says, the custom keto diet is a brand new product that allows someone to create their own keto diet plan based on their food preferences, daily activities level, height, weight, and target weight goals. Right, so just copy that. Then you bring it to Pinterest. It's dead easy. Fantastic. We've got our pin created. But what we don't have is this link. So you go back to ClickBank and then you click the red button which says promote. And you click that one and it brings you to here where you can generate the Hope links. Hope links is just an affiliate link, your unique link, right? So that's my nickname. It will be your nickname right there. So you click create Hope links. This is the Hope link that you need on Pinterest. You copy the link and then you go to Pinterest and then you paste it right there. Paste it. You save it. You choose the board where you want to, you choose now the board where you want that pin to go. And Pinterest is showing us the different boards that we have. So far, we've got 2. So you can choose which board you want this particular pin to go. When those ladies now come to Pinterest and they are looking for healthy keto recipes and they see your pin, they are going to click it and they're going to be redirected to the product, this one. They're going to see the video. They are going to, now the owners of this product have taken over. You've done your bit of sending those ladies to this page and that's it. So the convincing, all the selling, everything, the selling and the telling is all done by the owner of the product through this video, right? So this is a high converting sales letter. Most people are going to click it and they're going to buy. This is how you're going to make money changing Pinterest into a cash machine, my friend. So if you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. We'll see you later.